Hi there, welcome to blog.web6.org. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can install WordPress 3.2 testing version, not even beta version yet, but we're going to install it today in cPanel and see what kind of coming features. And I'm going to install in this address. So first step is you're going to your cPanel and scroll down and see phpMyAdmin and MySQL Databases. And first we're going to MySQL Databases and we're going to open it up in a new window or new tab. And here, as you can see, I don't have any database name, so we're going to click on new database and we're going to type in a new database 211. Just make sure that you make a unique one and create database. Now go back. Here we're going to add new username and we can use for example like Kimi 2011, and then for this password we use password generator and then generate password and add something as you like, and then going to copy or write down somewhere on a paper that you will not forget, because that password we will need later on, and then use password, create user. Okay, so edit user this with that password and go back. Now we're going to add these users to this database, so we're going to scroll down and add this user that we just created to this database and click add. Make sure you click on all privileges and then make changes. So now we are ready to make to upload our file. So go back again. Now we go home, and here we're going to look for file manager. Click on that and hit go. Here we're going to upload our WordPress 3.2 in zip file. Make sure that you have it here on your desktop, and then we're going to upload it to our server. So here we're going to upload it. Hit upload button and here browse, and here there it is, our WordPress zip file, and then open. So now it's complete and we go back home. There it is, you have it. So now we're going to extract it. Here it is, button extract, and extract files. Hit close, and now you can see we have this WordPress file. So we're going to delete this zip file like usual, delete it. Now we're going to open it, so by double clicking it and click select all. So I'm going to expand this button. Here it is, select all. If you don't see it, so there it is, this button, select all, and then by clicking this button you're going to select all of the files and then going to move file and delete this WordPress if you want to install it in your root, and hit move files. Of course now it's gone, and you go to up one level and there it is, you see all your files, and then we're going to delete this WordPress empty folder, delete it, delete file. Now we're going to install it. So here it is, my blog URL. I'm going to refresh it. Now it's showing error, and then we're going to create a configuration file, and let's go. The database name would be our database name, so we go back to home and database, MySQL Databases, and look for your database name. There it is. There is your database name. Copy it and paste that in. And username was this one. Copy. And the password was on your notepad or in your paper that you have written down. Password and table prefix. This is very important. You're going to make random like that. This is your table prefix, and make sure that it is not easy to guess, and hit submit. Now site title, make sure that it's your keyword there, for example like how to blog, but for now I'm going to name it like my blog address, like that. And then use your username, make sure that it's not easy to guess, for example not easy to guess. Okay, make sure that it's green so it's safe. And your email address. If you install it and you want Google to index your site, make sure that it's ticked, but this is just for demonstration, so I'm going to untick of that sentences. And then now we're going to run install WordPress button. Alright, and your username, login. And my password. Login. Alright, this is your new WordPress 3.2. If we scroll down in the bottom, you are now using development version 3.2, so it's not yet released beta version, but more and less WordPress 3.2 will look like this. You see the themes is we have (2011) theme, you see, and in this bleeding version still have 2010, which is old version, and 2011. I'm not sure if the WordPress 3.2 come, and it will be included, and the interface of your dashboard will be changed. The fonts will be a little bit smaller. So let's see what new features again, the dashboard and the post. So we're going to click on post. The fonts will be a little bit smaller, and then we're going to edit this hello world post. I'm going to make this window a little bit bigger so you will see. Now, as you can see, we have a new button which is full screen, toggle full screen mode. If I hover it, and this kitchen sink will be always there. But if you toggle this screen, so you're going to click that button, you see it now has full screen. For example, this is visual. If I go to HTML, you see that I can write in HTML. Go back to visual again, and we go back to that like the old version. You see that back button. You can click on back button and you go back here again. So that's all basically. Now you have a new interface of WordPress 3.2, which now we have a little bit smaller fonts as the previous versions. So after seeing the new interfaces of WordPress 3.2, which is not yet released, so the first step you're going to do after installing WordPress is changing your admin name. You see now this is our real name, which is very important, and the other people do not have to see that. So first step, you're going to users, there it is, and your profile, click on that. And here you're going to change your nickname. So let's say we're going to change that as admin, so other people can see that, doesn't matter, but in fact your login name is this one. So you're going to then display name publicly as going to choose admin. Now you're going to update profile, right, and your user is updated. You see now admin. If we go to our blog, this post will show by admin and not by your real login name. So that's all, guys. I hope it's going to be help how to install WordPress 3.2, which is not yet released yet. So thank you for watching and goodbye. Take care.